Day 81. Welcome, good morning. We slept very, very well in the tent tonight. We have a bit of rain in the middle of the night. And it was so warm. My new sleeping bag, I have to zip it up, take my long johns off. It was way too warm. But actually I would rather be a little bit too warm than lying in the tent and freeze, because I have done that. I have finished freezing in the tent. So now we're heading. We have almost 5 kilometers to walk to the boat. So we will woke up early at 6. So no breakfast, no coffee, nothing. I just pack up all our gear and we headed the trail. And we said we're going to eat breakfast and take coffee and so on. Meanwhile, we're waiting for the boat. So we don't want to miss it, because it's just once a day. So if you miss that boat, we have to pitch the tent and stay another night. So this boat will go to, I don't know the pronunciation, I butchered the name, and Smygehuk, something like that. I think the ride was about 5 kilometers. So yeah, and after that we just continue on the trail from that point. And in a more couple of days I think we have some more rowing to do, but I don't know where, I don't know when. We will notice. So welcome, follow DanAnna, hiking Sweden. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there. We have so little left now. So I hope our bodies will really hang in there until the end, because we are sore. We are sore in body and we are sore in mind. In many days now. Many days. And with the sickness days, we have 3 weeks of sickness. So we don't count those sickness days to the hike days. So yeah, if you calculate all this together with the zeros and so on, long hike. And we are at the pier. I think pier is a strong word.
It's a super strong word. And we did laundry. And now we're waiting for the boat. And the old guy, he said, over here somewhere. So hopefully, but he said we're gonna hear the boat from the other side. So
you can't miss it. So yesterday we had that steep uphill. And then we get up to a plateau for 200-300 meters, and then we go downhill. So you just go over a mountain to get here. So a challenging route, I have to say. Yeah, challenging route. Beautiful, of course, but too much forest for me. But now we have to see what how the trail are on the other side of this, what's the name of Bukt? Vik?
I don't know.
Bay. Some kind of bay. So, hard bread, shrimp, soft cheese, and a decent view. Hey. And here we have the boat and a lot of hikers. Just 3 of us is me, Dan and Martin from this direction. A really nice guy. He gave us electrolytes.
Here we go.
That is where we are now, in Muntaviken's cabin village. So we went over with the boat, and we got up here, and I asked if they have any available cabins, and they have. As you can see, I have shower. I have done the laundry as well. So it's a cozy cabin. 1 bunk bed here, but we have a big problem. He's sick. He has a fever. I said earlier that we have slept quite well tonight, and we did, but after 1, I think, he had fever during the night as well, and we thought it was over, but no, it was not. So now we are here in this cabin in middle of nowhere, and Dan is sick, and I don't know what to do. We have to, but they have in the reception, they had a few frozen pizzas I saw, so I will go down there, buy us some pizza, and yeah, we have roof over the head, we are not cold, we have food in the bag, we have pizza from the reception. Yeah, we will manage. So hopefully he's on the legs tomorrow again. Otherwise we have to see, but yeah. Now I will go down to get the pizza. He's still sleeping. I'm sitting here eating pizza, watching the view. And here we have him.
Yeah, back from the dead. Oh, it's 4:30, so daytime, and I slept for over 6 hours. Now I don't feel nausea. I just have a great headache. I was up for maybe half an hour, and I eat a little bit back then, but I didn't want to eat, and now I'm gonna try to eat again. And I drank Martin's electrolytes, a little mix, so I'm super grateful for that. I feel better after I drank it, so maybe it's I miss something in my body, I don't know, but I'm super tired now, and I have a great headache, so I'm not going to be up for long, so maybe I sleep all night. We have to see, and hopefully we can walk on tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Yeah. And strange day. This wasn't according to plan. We have walked 5 kilometers, I think. So 5 kilometers walk, and then the boat ride here, and we were lucky to could check in this cabin directly when we got here, and I just went into the shower, and there were no hot water, so I was freezing and shaking and everything, and then I just go to bed and lay in my liner and my sleeping bag, and I should lay there and wait for Anna, but I just passed out. Maybe it took like 10 seconds, and then I was sleeping really hard, and then Anna woke me up at around 12 something, and then eat a little. So strange day, and now I don't feel like throwing up or anything. No, I only had a great headache, but it can be the coffee as well, I think.
I think so, because you didn't take any coffee yesterday.
No, nothing today. Today I've drank a little bit of coffee here. And Coke Zero I'm trying to drink as well, and water of course. And I got 2 of those electrolytes from Martin, so I'm gonna drink the other one later as well. And hopefully I feel better. And now my big dream is that I feel good tomorrow, and we can catch up to Martin. I would love to thank him again, and if you have the time, please check out his webpage.
He's a really trekker guy.
Trek list.
Yeah.
So Treks list. If I meet him again, I will ask him if I can link it down below at every video, because I really like him. Super nice guy. He helped me out when with the electrolytes drinks, and super friendly. And it was the same guy we met the other day who was with a pain in his foot. Should you film yourself as well? Or only me looking like a dumbass here?
Only you. You are the star of the show now.
No, I am not.
No. So say bye-bye.
Yeah. No, so please check out Treks list. He's an Estonian guy, and I don't know what it's. I have just read a little bit on now before I go on the camera a few minutes. I will dig into that
site. If you love hiking, you will love that that homepage.
Yeah, different hikes in you can search. It's a search engine for different hikes around the world, so I would definitely use it when we get back home as well, so we can see what hikes we're gonna do next. And if we are in a different country, you can do day hikes, weekly hikes, longer hikes. You can just search them in there. So please, Treks list. And this is not a collab or anything. It's just a super lovely guy. We really enjoyed him. He was so friendly. So if you're watching this, Martin, thank you so much. I wish you the best, and with your homepage and with yourself as well. And you talk to your wife, so that makes me happy as well, because she wasn't answering the first time. But thumb up. This is a strange video for today. Maybe we should have a time lapse of me sleeping for 6 hours. And now I think I will be awake for 1-2 hours, and then I go for bed again at night time. See you. Now I'm gonna try to eat. I don't feel like eating at all.
And this is just for the food lovers. Look at the pizza. Was it tasty?
No, it's not.